Persistent resets on a garbage disposal are a warning sign that something is wrong and needs attention now. Start by cutting power at the breaker and confirming the unit's reset button has not popped out again, which points to heat overload or a jam that was not cleared. Shine a flashlight into the chamber and use tongs or a wooden spoon to remove any foreign objects like bottle caps, bones, or fibrous peels. Never put hands inside. Rotate the flywheel by inserting a hex key in the bottom port and turning both directions to free stuck impellers. A few firm turns often release hidden debris. Run cold water at full flow and test with small food scraps only, avoiding stringy vegetables, eggshells, and large quantities of starchy foods that swell. If the unit trips again, check the dedicated circuit for load issues and verify the breaker is not shared with large appliances. Disposals should have their own correctly sized breaker and properly grounded outlet. Finally, confirm all wire connections inside the disposal's junction box are tight with secure wire nuts, and inspect the wall switch or air switch for wear, heat discoloration, or a loose neutral, since intermittent power can mimic overload resets. The three most common issues are jams, thermal overload, and electrical faults. For jams, clear the chamber thoroughly, rotate the flywheel with a hex key, and flush with cold water while running for 30 seconds to move lingering particles. For thermal overload, let the unit cool for 20 minutes. Reduce the load by grinding in small batches with steady water flow, and avoid hot water that can soften fats and clog the grind ring. For electrical faults, inspect the outlet, switch, and breaker for heat marks or loose connections, confirm a dedicated circuit, and replace a worn switch or cord if you find fraying or inconsistent power. We built BigHomeProjects.com to make it easier to connect homeowners with local contractors who understand plumbing and garbage disposal diagnostics and repairs. Our platform helps contractors find real jobs, and our discussion community lets all of us share troubleshooting steps, compare experiences, and get practical advice when a disposal keeps resetting.